beautiful people, this is Kim Jade. Welcome to the official
McDonald's World Menu Heist.
We're going to have incredible food. We're going to taste yummy drinks.
Everyone here gets to taste the brand new menu items from all over the world, from Japan to Korea, and the Philly cheesesteak burger from the UK.
My favorite from the World Menu Heist has to be our Philly cheese.
The black pepper and garlic nuggets.
For me personally, it's the blue Hawaiian McFizz. I love it. You should be trying out this menu, why? Have you not?
Thank you so much, McDonald's. And we love you so much, family.